Good evening friends. So in this lecture we will look about the measuring actual running time, how to measure the running time or time complexity. So we all know that measuring actual running time is not practical at all because by going into machine individually. So suppose there is an array and we have to add a number at the beginning. So in this case, suppose one shift equal to 1 unit, then 3 shift will be equal to 3 unit. So in this case we will move 3 unit and the number 2, here it is 2, it will be added to the this particular domain. But suppose there is a 10,000 string long array, so what, in this case we will shift 10,000 time and it will become 10,000 unit, which is absolutely not feasible. So we have to find running time of complexity using fn. You can take example of this for loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I printf this hello world. So what is the running time of complexity? Fn equal to n. This is the answer. But fn is value not easy for count, but when the data structure become complex, it becomes difficult for us to, like there are several loops or something complex structure is given, then it becomes difficult for us. So if we want to get the good result, then we have to compare two algorithm, comparing two algorithm. So we can say we can then clarify which one is better. Take for example a variable is given 5n square plus 6n and 12, 6n plus 12, and when we evaluate the complexity, it is 21.07, 26.09, 52.17. But as the value of n increases and it becomes 100, 1000, we can see the value of 5n square is 99.88 or 98%, something like that, and I think this is sufficient to provide any kind of data, 98 and 99%. So 5n square is self sufficient in doing that. So look at this graph, the square term is telling us about everything. This square term is telling us about everything, and this one is known as the constant, and this one also. So 5n square is squared, it is increasing constant, and the other, this one is x for constant and this box for linear, it is going down as the value of n is increasing. The time complexity is fn, and so as n is increasing, fn is increasing for 5n square, the square term, so which is approximately equal to the time complexity. So we are fine with that. So this is the main notation, that as the square term is more than enough, we will reduce the redundant terms. Thank you.